Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I'm got going on today if my son would ever wake up. So my car's sitting at the shop right now and I bought these guys for it. Nice WS6 wheels. Ordered the new center caps from National Parts Depot. Thank you very much. They look great. Also ordered a whole set of lug nuts. And I had to order a new tire because my alignment is off and it chewed up the other one. But the rest of them are really good shape still after a year. Yeah, I had to polish the heck out of these things. They were really nasty and corroded when I got them. I picked them up for $200. So that's my project of the day. And I'll take some video once I get him on the car. And they look nice. They're gonna look nice with those Cooper tires. Alright, we'll see you in a second. Alright guys, I just got them mounted.
Daddy, I'm
Say hi.
Hi. I'm sitting on a wall.
Now she needs a bath.
Daddy.
Hold on. Right now I'm here getting it detailed. We're going to be buffing it out pretty soon. Yay. What do you think?
Tastes good.
Okay. Yep.
I do.
What do you think about the car?
Good.
Okay. See you later.
Okay.
Here it is. I just got it detailed. Look how nice that looks. It's all ready for the car show tonight.
Brandon.